Hi everybody, this is Brad at Shenzhen lrider Tech. I'm the sales engineer. And today I want to introduce you the newest innovation, the Lambo 6. This item. And today I mainly want to introduce you the electronics of this device. Firstly, the Lambo 6 designed with the concept of powerful, precise, and easy to use. As for powerful, firstly, the maximum current output can reach 4.8 amperages with one battery only. Well, it's one battery only, not for stack battery. And the maximum one battery tube mode we know before was provari, and it can reach 3.5 amperages. Now, I think the number one is Lambo 6, and it can reach 4.8. The wattage mode, it can reach 20 watt, 1 to 20 watt by 1 watt increment. And in the voltage mode, 3 to 6 watt. And under the voltage mode, you can get highest power around 23 watt. Yeah, 23. As for precise, firstly, the allowance area of the voltage is 0.1 watt, and allowance area of the wattage is just 1 watt. And well, it's very easy to use, of course, because it's designed with 3 buttons. You can get access to the info very quickly. Like to hold this button, you can get the atomizer resistance very quickly. Well, it shows 1.1 ohm. Yeah. Okay, and this is the voltage. And by holding this button for 3 seconds, you got the remaining battery voltage as 4.1 now. And you can also switch from the voltage mode to the wattage mode simply by clicking this button for 3 times. Now, this is the wattage mode. And of course, by 3 times clicking, you can switch to the voltage mode. By 5 times clicking, the device will power off, and again, the device will power on. Well, many customers may ask, is this device really that good? Well, we can make a test. These are some equipments we are using in the lab, and of course there are some more devices. This device can show the value and very easy and very quickly. But again, there may be some customer ask, well, I don't have those equipments. How can I check like the voltage, the wattage, the current output? Well, I can tell you a simplest way. Simple is the best. Let's put those equipment aside. This is the simplest way and the best way. This is a voltage meter. And there are some resistances. Of course, you can, if you don't have those resistances, you can put your atomizer here. Then by getting the resistance, because here is resistance checker, you can check your atomizer resistance, right? And here is the voltage meter. You can get the real the actual current output. So by those magic formulas, P, X, U, I, or this, and this, by those formulas, you can get everything. Like you have already know the resistance, right? And they've already know the actual voltage by the voltage meter, and you can figure out the current. You can figure out the power. It's so easy. And okay, everybody, follow me. I will test with those resistances and to see if it is that precise, that powerful, and that easy to use. And here is the resistance 1.1 ohms, and I have 1.6, 2.1, and 2.9. Those resistances are the typical resistances of the atomizers. Now we can start the test. So everybody, focus on it and follow me. And over here you can get the target voltage output. Here you will get the actual voltage output. Yeah, the voltage meter is the actual voltage output. And here we loaded 1.1 ohm resistance. Okay, and let's go back to the voltage mode. Let's test the voltage first. Okay, let's fire. 3.1, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, and you got 4.8. Okay, 5, you got 5, 5.1. Yeah, so as we just saying, from 3 to 5, it is pretty precise and no voltage drop. Let's see how that's performed from 5 to 6. Okay, here is 5.1, and we got 5.1. 5.2, we got 5.1. 5.3, we got 5.1. Here is 5.1. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah, so with the 1.1 resistance and the maximum voltage we can run is 5.1. Well, some people may doubt. So the voltage drops a lot. Why this happen? Well, because as we can figure it out, here is the current output. Here is the actual voltage output, and we can find it has already reached the maximum current output of 4.8. Yeah, because it has already reached its maximum current output, so it did what it's supposed to be. And for the maximum current and the actual voltage can reach, here is Yeah, here's 25, and usually around at 5.1 volt you get 23. Yes, 23 watts. It's very high. Okay, let's go with the other resistances. Here I got around 1.6. Check it first. Yeah, 1.5. Good. And so let's keep on going. Yeah. 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, yeah, 4.8, 4.9, we got 4.8. Still, it is still within the allowance area. Yeah. Here we got 5. Here 5.1 is also precise. 5.2 we got 5.1 to 5.2. Yeah. 5.3 we got 5.3. 5.4 we got 5.4. Yeah. Here also 5.4. 5.5. 5.6. Yeah. 0.6. Also 0.6. 0.6 to 0.7. And as we can see, the voltage drops is very low. Here is with the 1.5 resistance, and it is also low resistance. And here I have the tested it with 1.6 ohms, and we at the 5.7 we got wattage of over 20 watt here, over 20 watt. So it's also works pretty good with the 1.5 ohms. And let's see the other resistances. Here is 2 ohm. This is around 2 ohm. I think it's maybe 1.9. Let's check it first. Oh, it's 2.1. Yeah, 2.1 ohm. Check again. 2.1. Go back to the voltage mode and go to 3 volt. Let's start. Okay, 3. We got 3.1. We got 3.1. Yeah. 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, we got 3.4, yeah, 3.5, 5 to 6, 6, we got 7, also 7, 8, 9, we got 4, yeah, also 4, 4.2, 4.3, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9, 5. So this one from 3 to 5 with the resistance 2.1 ohms, it also works pretty good. And let's keep on going, and from 5 to 6, how does it perform? Okay, 5.1, 5.2, we got 5.1 to 5.2, 5.3, we got 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9. Wow, so it works pretty good, and the voltage drops is just within the allowance area of 0.1 volt. Okay, just now we tested 3 different voltages with this device, and it is very precise. And the resistances are 1.1, 1.5, and 2.1. Now let's test with the high resistance, and this is around 3. And, okay, and let's check. The actual is 2.9. See it is, you can check again, 2.9. Okay, let's go to the voltage mode. We also start from 3, right? 3, yeah, 3.1. 3.1 is also 3.1. 3.2, we got 3.2. 3.3. 3.4, we got 3.5. 3.5, we got 3.6. 3.6, we got 3.7. 0.7, yeah, we got 3.7. 0.8, also 0.8. 2.9, we got 4. 4, we got 4. 4.1, we got 4.2. Here we got 4.3. 4.3. 4.4. 4.5. 4.6. 7. 4.7. 4.9. 5. Yeah, from 3 to 5 it works awesome. And also let's see the rest. 5.1. 5.2. 5.3. 5.4. 5.5. 5.6. 5.7. 5.8, we got 5.7. 4.9, we got 5.8. Here we got 5.9. Wow, it's also that precise. It's awesome. And we have finished the test of the voltage mode. And again, there may be some customer ask, is the voltage mode as precise as the voltage mode? Okay, and now let's start the voltage mode testing. Okay, we also test with the 4 resistances. This is here. This 1.1 we just checked. Okay, this is a low resistance 1.1. Let's go to the voltage mode by 3 times clicking this button. Here now is voltage mode. Now we can adjust it from 1 to 20. Yeah, 1 to 20. Okay, let's test. Well, as for how to figure out the actual wattage, and you can also follow the formulas. Yeah, here you can also follow the formulas, because here you got the actual voltage here. You got the resistance by the ohm checker, ohm meter, right? So you can just use this formula. Okay, and you will get the actual power. And of course, you can figure out the current as well. Okay, now let's start the testing. 1 watt, we got 3. It is supposed to be lower voltage, but as we know, the lithium battery works from 3 watt. So it's already it's a minimum voltage output. So it's displayed 3. Yeah, 3. 2 watts is also 3. 3. 3. Okay. And 7 is also 3. 3. Because from 1 to 8, and the power, the voltage is actually lower, but the as I just said, the minimum voltage output is 3, so it's output 3. And now let's see how's 9. And 9 we got 3.2. Here I have tested with let me find out the performance testing. Here is from 1 to 8, and from 9, and we got what's 3.2, and we can see here is the actual wattage output. Here is the target power. Here is the actual power. And here is the actual voltage. Now target 9 and the actual is 9.3, and it is within the allowance area of 1 watt. It's very precise already. Okay, let's go. Target 10. We got 3.4. And as we calculated, 3.4 is the actual power is 10.5, and target 10 actual 10.5. Okay. Here 11, 3.5, 11, target 11. We got 11.1. Target 12, got 3.3, 3.7. So here is target 12. We got 12.4, and 13. 13 we got 13.1. 14 we got 14.5. Okay, let's see 15. 15 we got 15.2. 16, yeah, 16 we got 16.8. 17 we got 17.6. See, 18 we got 18.4. 19, target 19 we got 19.2. Let's see 20. 20 we got, here is 20, yeah. So it's the wattage mode is also very precise, as we can see. And we can also test with other resistances. This one, 1.5. Because this is, as you know, for the same voltage, the lower the resistance, the higher the current output will be. So it can support this, and it can definitely support the higher resistances. And I can check. Okay, for the time being, I will just test. Here is 1, 1.5, 2, 6. Okay, I will test this one. And theoretically, we can work pretty good, and we can just test the lowest and the highest just for time being. Okay. I have the full test report, and if anybody need it, can just call me. I will let you know my contact info soon. Okay, let's start with this one. This one is 2.9, as we just tested this one. And 2.9, we have also here got the info. 2.9. Okay, 2.9. I've tested before, and I've wrote down and figured out all the details. We also from 1 to 20. Let's go. 3 we got 3.1. Yeah. And actually from 1 watt to the let's see, 1, 2, 3, and the 1 to 3, the voltage will be 3.1. Okay, and from 4, okay, from 4 we target 4, we got 4.4. We target 5, we got 5.5 watt. Target 6, we got 6.3. Target 7, got 3.2. 8, 8.2. 9, we got 9.3. 10, we got 10.0. Okay, 11, 11, we got 11.2. Okay, 12, we got the 12.0. Oh, sorry, 12, we got 11.6. Again, I test again. Okay, 12, we got 11.6. 13, we got 13, we got 12. 14, we got also 12, and from 13 to 20 with the 3 ohms resistance or 2.9 ohms. And as we can see, the voltage has already reached 5.9, has already reached its ultimate. So the wattage output is the same, 12, 12, 12. Okay, so now we have fully tested the device, and you can see how good it is. And to best utilize your device, the secret is just use a high discharge rate battery. This battery is 20C. Remember to use a high discharge rate battery. If you use low discharge rate battery, like 1C, 2C, 4C, maybe for the other modes, that is not so powerful, it will work good. But this device, as you can see, the maximum current output with just one battery, it can reach 4.8. So you need this strong battery to support this device. And I have the fully test report here, and I also made some tests before. I tested the regular batteries like 1C, 2C, 4C. If a battery cannot support device while you are trying to hydrate it, the battery cannot support that high current output, right? And the battery itself will get hot. It may be dangerous. This is the battery we have tested here, and we have tested 8W, 1C, 2C. If first 1C, 2C, they're not work so good. But this one, 20C, it works perfect, as we have seen. You have seen the voltage mode, the wattage mode. It is very, very precise, very good. I have the fully tested report, and if you want any more info, you can email me, and my email is rider007@lridertech.com. And please be noted that there is a line between the L and R. Again, it's rider007@lridertech.com. And our new website will be functional, I think, 1 week later. Then I will upload the PDF file to the download center, and you can go to our official site. Let me show you our official site. The official site will be www.lridertech.com. And by then, 1 week later, you can go to our download center to download the full test report. Thanks for your time. Thank you, everybody.